Hello everyone. This week we'll discuss 21 idioms. I will upload a video of 3 idioms daily. Make sure you watch them attentively. Also, be a good listener. Learn these idioms and try to use them in future. So, idioms of the day are win by a nose. To win by a very small amount. My best friend won the race by a nose. Second, hit the sack or hit the hay. To go to bed in order to sleep. Before hitting the sack, she finished all her work. Third and the last one. Be in hot water or get in hot water. To be in a difficult situation or danger where you are likely to get punished or criticized. For example, he found himself in hot water over his argument with the minister. Thank you, children.